What's going on, everyone? ZEUS the DJ back with another video, and today I have a secret unboxing video. So I was contacted by the people from Mexicrate, and they asked me if I wanted to do a unboxing / review video of their product. Basically what this is, it's I guess it's like a Mexican candy subscription service. So you go to their website, mexicrate.com. Link for that will be in the description below, so you can check that out. I also have a promo code so you can get 15% off of your order, so make sure to check that out as well. They sent me over this box here with a little sample of basically of kind of what they have. Gracias. Share a photo on Instagram, tag us, and hashtag Mexicrate for a chance to win $25 gift card. Yeah, so their information is on here. It's a nice little greeting card from Tijuana. We got a nice little Mexicrate sticker in here. Mexicrate sticker. That's pretty dope. Now this is just like a small package. They have different packages there on their website. Once again, link in the description below. You can check that out and see what kind of packages they have. And it's, like I said, it's a subscription thing. You pay for it. They ship you out a bunch of candies. I'm not sure what size this is. And actually, when they first contacted me, I thought I was gonna get like a bigger box. I've seen some of the unboxings on YouTube, but actually, you know what? This is a lot of candy for it being such kind of like a, you know, a little small box. So it's not too bad. You get a good variety of stuff. So I'll go ahead and try this because I've never tried this before. Oh shit! Kind of looks like Funyuns. Good. Try one. It tastes like those fake chicharrones that are made like from this like crunchy material. Saw about something. If I find a picture, I'll put a picture right here. That's what these taste like. Alright. Churritos, I already know what these taste like. These are fire. I don't want to open these yet because I'd like to preserve the crunchiness. So after dinner, try one of these. I'm gonna open it just like a little milk carton. And these are supposed to be what? Sour candy balls. I'll throw a couple in there because that first one wasn't very sour. This wasn't very sour, but it did taste like strawberry. Really good. Let's try the orange one, I guess. Again, not sour at all, but tastes like orange. Both good. Jeffrey, you could try those. I already know what this tastes like, but I will show you guys if you've never had one. Take the top off here. You got like some little holes right there, and you squeeze this, and it kind of just like pops out like that dude's hair from, what's that freaking cartoon? This dude has hair like this. So it's like all tamarindo stuff. Sure is bomb. And then once you're done squeezing and you can't get any more, you just peel it off, and you can just lick off all the residue on the white plastic part. A little tip right there. Salsa Getty. Try these. We got some sauce right here. This might get a little messy. Oh shit. I already dripped some on there. It's getting all over my fingers, so alright, so be careful with this one, it's a little messy. That's that fire right there. Now when they first hit me up, I was like, Mexican candy and free? Come on now. That's a no-brainer. All for it. Chocolate covered marshmallow. Simple, just chocolate and a marshmallow. What's it taste like? Chocolate covered marshmallow. It's good. One thing that kind of sucks about doing this unboxing right now is that it's like super early in the morning and I still haven't had breakfast. So, okay, so this thing is just oh, it's falling apart. Another chocolate covered marshmallow, but it's like a little face with little gummy eyes and a gummy smile. Tastes a little different than this one, but still good. Alright, so these are kind of like hard candies, lollipops, so I'm not going to be able to like actually bite into it, but I will open up one of each and taste them. The best way to describe this limon 7 or whatever is like a pack of Lucas. I don't know if you guys have ever had Lucas before. It comes in a pack just like this, and it's like kind of like a salty, kind of looks like salt basically. That's what this tastes like, but in lollipop form. Let's try this little lifesaver looking lollipop. Ugh. Candy. Candy is dandy. Kind of tastes like a lifesaver. And the flavor, I can't really make out the flavor. If anything, I would say it might be pineapple. The frozen lollipop, I think I had these before. My niece probably has had these for her birthday and stuff. So this one tastes like, is there a sticker in here? Kind of get like a little free sticker inside. There's so many flavors going on in my mouth right now. It's good, I just can't pinpoint the flavor, but it is a little sour. Good nonetheless. And last but not least, the Gouda Pop, whatever. So this has got, it's like a taffy. It tastes just like a now and later. After kind of stuffing my face with candy, I can say that for this little package, shit's legit. So if you're interested in getting one of these, Mexicrate.com, link in the description below, as well as my promo code. Use the promo code MEXI15 to get 15% off of your order. Go ahead and check them out, and thank you guys for Mexicrate for sending out this little package for me. I'm definitely gonna subscribe as well, because who doesn't like Mexican candy, right? Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, ZEUS the DJ, and I'm out. Peace.